Welcome, my dear friends. I hope all you will be enjoying today, and we will discuss about in this video plant hanger ideas and macrame plant hanger ideas for your home decoration and for your living room decoration. And if you are looking to pick a quick project perfect for the beginner, these plant hangers are just the ticket. Most of these hangers take less time and they can be useful and easy to make, and they are very inexpensive to make. If you purchase a plant hanger, you are going to spend more on the store bought hanger than if you make one yourself. And you can take some ideas in this video and you can make your own macrame wall hanging hangers for your home decoration. This video is for the persons who are very interested in macrame wall hanging ideas and plant hanger tutorials, and this video will give you very easy and very beautiful plant hanger ideas for your kitchen. And this video is for the peoples who are searching for very easy and very inexpensive purchase of these designs and these ideas. I hope you will love this video and you will find this video very useful. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more updates and for more videos, so that we can get more ideas for your home decoration. You can use this idea for your living room as well as for your drawing room decoration, and this video will help out most of your decoration for the plants, indoor plants and outdoor plants. Indoor plants and outdoor plants makes your home very gorgeous and very beautiful, and this will take very less time to make, and they are easily available in the market and you can also make for yourself. I hope you will love this video and find this video very useful. Please share with your friends and share with your family members who are searching for this design ideas and this type of material. And please keep on watching my channel for more updates and more videos. Please comment us if you need any help for home decoration and simple DIY home decoration ideas and interior design decoration. I will give you some very useful tips for your home decoration and home decor ideas. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and please keep on watching my full video so that you can get more ideas and you will enjoy this video. In the next video I will discuss about more ideas. Thank you so much for watching.